So we got 3 beeps on this, and red LED. Hoshshizaki, we're gonna go ahead and reset the code. And we'll see what she does. And here's the problem. The impeller blade has blown up. This is the second one that's done that on this exact machine. Hoshi instead of Hoshshizaki is what it should be called. So we've got the new impeller. Same high quality part that came out of it. I'll link in the description to one of these down below. And yeah, go put it in. So I'll show you how this goes back together here. Just got this spring here, which goes over the shaft. Just make sure this hole lines up with this hole on the outside. Push it down on there. Okay, I see the hole. Push it through, and then they just have this bent to one side a little bit like that. It's kind of weird because that pin's just gonna like create a bunch of turbulence. But that's how it goes in there. So then line up your gasket with the screw holes. They're actually placed kind of weird so that you can't switch up how the gasket was on there. And same with the pump assembly. It's going to go like this. Pass me a Phillips. Super detailed shot.
Insanely close up. Alright, that's right.
We are up and running.